A car and motorcycle are sold together for 720,000 pesos. The car costs 2 times as much as the motorcycle. How much does the motorcycle cost? So 720,000 pesos lahat ng binayad na sa car and motorcycle. So the car costs 2 times as much as the motorcycle. So given ang sa car na 2 times daw as much as the motorcycle ang kanyang cost, sa motorcycle hindi given kung ano ang kanyang cost. So let's have X for motorcycle. Kung ano yung hindi given, yan yung lagyan mo ng X or kahit na anong letter pwede mong gamitin pang represent. So, si motorcycle ay X, yung kanyang cost, plus yung kay car ay 2 times as much as the motorcycle. Ibig sabihin, ang cost ni motorcycle na X, i-times mo ng 2, dahil 2 times yung cost, yan yung kay car, ito yung kay car. So, equals, so syempre, ang total ng dalawa ay 720,000 pesos. So now, pwede na natin isolve ang equation. So x plus 2x, that is 3x. Remember, kung walang katabing number itong letter, meron dyan 1 palagi. Kaya 1 plus 2, kaya naging 3. So 3x equals 720,000. So divide mo by 3. Kung ano yung number na katabi ng x dito, yun yung gamitin mo pang divide. Tapos cancel mo na itong 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So cancel mo na yan. X equals, divide mo rin ito by 3. So 720,000 divided by 3, that is 240,000, letter D ang tamang sagot. So